Hello everyone, I'm Naval Yemul. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Master. In today's video, we are going to explore something super powerful and very exciting, Databricks AI function. And not just theory, we're actually applying AI on data using a real Databricks AI functions. We are going to use AI analyze sentiment. By end of this video, you will clearly understand what Databricks AI functions are, why they are a game changer, and how to apply sentiment analysis on your data in just one SQL function. You don't need ML models, no prompt engineering, no infrastructure headache. What are Databricks AI functions? AI functions are built-in Databricks functions that allows you to apply artificial intelligence capabilities such as text translation, sentiment analysis directly on data stored in your Databricks. So these functions can be executed from anywhere within the Databricks platform, including Databricks SQL, notebooks, pipelines, workflows, and so on. AI functions makes it easy to enrich your data with AI powered insights without building, training, or managing your machine learning models. Let us take a problem statement, understanding a customer sentiment at scale. So modern business collect massive volumes of unstructured text data every day. For example, customer reviews, feedback forms, support tickets, social media comments, and so on. But the real challenge is not collecting the data, it's understanding how customer feels. So the key business questions are customers happy or not? Is the overall sentiment positive, negative, or a neutral? How do we analyze sentiment across millions of records? So the traditional approach is challenging. We use a traditional machine learning approach that helps you to build a ML model and then manage the feature engineering, deploy the models into production, continuous monitoring, maintenance, and so on. These all makes sentiment analysis time consuming, complex, and the resource incentive. But the solution is simpler. Databricks have built something called AI powered sentiment analysis directly using simple SQL. So this is what exactly the Databricks AI functions are. So I've just kept a link for this Databricks AI functions. You can navigate to this. So what are AI functions? You can check this. And the inbuilt functions as of now are AI analyze sentiment. In this video, we will be covering AI analyze sentiment only, that performs the analysis on the input text using a state of art generative AI models. So I'll just click on it and you can see it's taking you to this inbuilt function called AI analyze sentiment function that allows you to invoke the state of art generative AI model to perform sentiment analysis on input text using SQL. So just scroll down. The syntax looks pretty simple. Just write AI analyze sentiment and you pass the content, and it takes only one parameter. It can be a string. And if you just scroll down, these are the amazing examples. You can use select only simple SQL, AI analyze sentiment, and you pass your statement here, and it gives you the output. For example, I am happy, it gives you the sentiment as positive or negative, and so on. So I'll be leaving you this link. You can just explore it. In this video, we will be covering AI analyze sentiment. As we progress further in the next videos, I'll be covering AI classify, extract, masking, parse document, and so on. Okay. So let me go back to the notebook. And yeah, this is our problem statement. So to get the sentiments from the customer reviews, it really takes a lot of problems like building a ML model, deploying it, inferring it, so many things. But Databricks is making really easy by just using this inbuilt function called AI analyze sentiment. Okay. And you don't need to call any LLMs. You don't need to know what is LangChain, LangGraph, nothing. Simple, use a inbuilt function called AI Analyze Sentiment. You pass the text within it and it gives you the output. So I just connected to my warehouse compute. You can see a DMC warehouse compute, and I'll be using a select AI analyze inbuilt function, passing a text within it, and I'll just run it. And you get an output here, and it says that the statement is positive. And here's the output. Wow, we can see that. Amazing. So, next example, AI analyze sentiment. I'm sad. So, the sentiment is negative, and it shows you that it's a negative one. Amazing. Now let us implement the same inbuilt function called AI analyze sentiment on one of the data set. So if I just open this catalog, Databricks provides couple of sample data sets, and there's one catalog called samples. I'll just go to the samples, and in samples you will see a schema called bakehouse, and in the bakehouse we have a data set called media customer reviews. So here the table name is media customer reviews. I'm trying to query it where I have customer reviews. So I have almost 280, 204 records here. So, okay, you can access this schema. You can access this table to implement this AI analyze sentiment on these field, on this review field. Let me just open it. You can see this. The customers are giving a responses or the feedback. You can see few are disappointment, few have given 5 out of 5 stars, and so on. So if you ask me like, can you give me a summary, or can you give me a sentiment based on these reviews? So I have to build a machine learning model, then I have to understand the text, and then I have to find out the sentiment and so on. So but now the things have changed. Databricks have changed the game completely. You can check the other fields as well. So let me show the other fields. Yeah, you have franchise ID, review, and new ID, something like that. Now I'm going to apply AI analyze sentiment function on this column called review. So let me just scroll down, and okay, I have created a temporary view. I'll just comment it and I'll try to run this. So I've selected star all columns and then a new column called AI analyze sentiment on the review column, and I'm renaming it as sentiment from the same data. So you can see these are the reviews, and look at this beauty now. Amazing. So you got a sentiment as a new column, which shows you that this review, a customer reviews, is positive, negative, mixed, neutral, and so on. With just one simple SQL, we are able to find out the sentiments in one single line. Okay, it's so easy. Now you can just create a temporary view on top of this SQL query. So I'm just creating or replacing a temp view. And okay, wow, the temp view name is media customer reviews. And now I'm just doing a grouping based on that. And you can see 204 records were there. Out of it, the grouping is done based on the sentiment, and here I can say that there are more negative and mixed sentiments as compared to the positive. So this is how easy it is to implement Databricks AI functions, and among all I have implemented AI analyze sentiment. In my next videos I'll be covering AI function, AI generative, AI extract, and AI classify, and AI parse document, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. So if so, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit on the notification icon so that when I upload the next video, you don't miss it. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.